Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azini Williams. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. Okay, if you're new to my channel, kindly click on the subscription button. Click on the notification bell to let you know whenever I post any new video. Okay guys, today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to every father out there. You guys are our heroes. Okay guys, so today we are talking about the Mercy and Ike reality show. So today, people of God, this is their relationship. What are we going to do about it? Even Venita had to come in to talk to Ike about their relationship. Anyways, I'm not gonna bore you guys, but we are gonna be, giving our opinions as we go on with what happened today in the Mercy and Ike reality show. Okay, so today, Mercy's friend Sasha came all the way from Abuja to visit her. They started talking about social media. They started talking about they started a conversation about body enhancement and all that. So Mercy advised her friend, to do lip filler. I think that's what they call it, like to make your lips, bigger and all that. So Mercy started talking about body enhancement, the ignorance people have towards it, that it baffles her. Like, it's funny to her that people will see her and be like, oh, silicone this, silicone that she doesn't really care, but just that people are ignorant. They don't know the difference between liposuction and silicone, that anybody they see that like removes fat from one particular part of their body to another part, they would not be like silicone that. She doesn't really care, but she and her friends are advocates of taking care of yourself. Yes, doing what's good for you, making yourself happy, making yourself look very beautiful. But on my own, I'm just looking at Mercy like, babe, you look hot, you look beautiful. Like, your body is body goals. You really don't need more enhancement, because she actually said that she's gonna be doing more enhancement. She said she actually wants to make her lips bigger. I'm like, okay, sis, do whatever you want. She said she doesn't care what anybody says, and she and her friends enjoy looking good, taking care of themselves. She wants to do more body enhancement, so yeah. Okay, so we saw Ike, Ike talking about his photography business, and I must commend him. He looks like he's doing a lot, but I don't know if it's just for the camera. I don't know if he's doing like that in real life, but from what I saw, he's really working hard on his photography. He had a meeting with a friend, and they talked about his clothing line, that his famous clothing line, that I can't even say the name, but the ice cream clothing line. They talked about he was taking pictures of models and all that, setting up an office, registering the company, doing something legit. He's happy actually that he's doing something legit, making his parents proud and all that, to show his parents that he knows what he's doing, that he's going to be successful, and I think that's cool. I mean, like, coming from Ike, a lot of people are looking at him like, okay, is this serious and all that, but him, putting everything to make his photography business work, that is really cool. So we now saw about Mercy. Mercy talks about her friends, her manager, her lawyer, actually surprised her with a car, that Benz. You all know there was this time I broke that story, or I told you guys that story about Mercy getting a Benz. So this is actually how it happened. She told us that she actually wants that car. She actually, was eyeing that car, but because the price was like up there and she couldn't like afford it at that time, so her lawyer now went, to the car dealers or the auto shop and talked to her and like, you guys better see this girl, that she can sell anything sellable. Even you people like this, you can be there and she's gonna sell you and you're not gonna know. So the people now decided, what, they got the car for her. So that was how she got the car. And she is also the brand ambassador of that auto shop. Yes, people of God. Even though I don't think did she mention it today? I don't think she did. But she is actually the brand ambassador for that auto shop. Okay, so moving on, we saw Ike again, talking about his photography, and he says apart from photography, he actually wants to learn editing. I'm like, okay, this guy is, from what I see, he's kind of like improving his craft every day, which is good. He said he loves to switch. He loves that the fact that he has switched from being a model. You all know he is a model, from being in front of the camera to actually being behind the camera, being the one to call the shots and all that. He said one of the things he loves about what he's doing right now is that he's actually helping his woman, and we all know who his woman is, helping her take pictures, because we actually saw him editing pictures of Messi, in the previous episode. He took pictures of Messi, he's editing it. He said he loves the fact that what he's doing now, he can actually help his woman's business. And I'm like, okay, amen to that, brother, amen. Like, which woman would not want a man that will be able to put her business in his agenda. So there we got to that very interesting part, Messi and her sister talking in the kitchen. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna give you guys what happened. So Ike went to London. In fact, that is actually what Messi was complaining to her sister about. Her sister was like, you see, I have told you, this guy is your problem. I'm done talking about this whole relationship with you. Leave him. Like, you are the one stressing yourself. You are the one that is, stressing yourself about this relationship. What happened actually? You all know that previously Messi traveled to London and she traveled to see Willie XO, right? Now Ike has now traveled to London, and now Messi's anger is that Ike did not travel on his own. No. It was one South African woman. You all know how South African women are. Very beautiful and curvilicious, if that's a word. And Ike now traveled with the woman, or the woman sponsored the trip, and this woman has a child, and Ike was not posting the pictures everywhere. Messi was not happy. Messi was like, what kind of thing is this? Like, every time Ike will not be doing stuff to make her look bad, that people will not be thinking that he's the one that actually wants the relationship, he's the one that is moving the relationship. Meanwhile, she is the one that he will come on Twitter, on social media, and be tweeting things, and making her look bad, that she doesn't like it. And her sister was like, I have told you several times, you know what to do. Then Messi was like, okay, you know what? That she promises her sister that she's gonna expose Ike for who he is, that people is gonna see Ike, that he's not like the Mr. Cool guy, the guy that is working for the relationship and all that. No. I'm like, hey God, what is gonna happen? This relationship is going up and down. But then again, it's a reality show, and reality shows have directors and editors and all what's not, and it's being directed. Yes, so maybe they are just doing all this drama for us to get ratings, for us to keep watching. Because on a normal day, if relationship is stressing you like this every time, one matter. Anyways, so from then we saw Venita. Yes, so Venita now came to give Ike advice. Now Ike told us that Venita is like a big sis to him, that he never really had a big sister figure in his life before, but Venita has been there, even after the Big Brother house, supporting his business, supporting his craft, supporting his hustle, reposting, giving him a shout out, posting his business and all that. He doesn't really have any big sister figure, but when Venita came into the picture after the Big Brother, they became quite close, and he values her opinion so much. So Venita now started the big sister advice thing. Now I started asking Ike, okay, what happened in London now? Because this London thing has been everywhere, because pictures has been flying here and there and all that. Ike now revealed to us that he was actually paid, that it's business, that he was actually paid like £300. Yeah, it was £300, he said, right? Yeah, £300 per appearance, or for him to appear in any place that he had appeared in, maybe in a party and all that. I'm like, okay, imagine somebody paying me £300 to come and just appear and have fun. That's what he told Venita. that his trip to London was more like a last minute thing, that the organizers wanted him to spend more 1 week, that he's gonna make more money and all that, but because it's last minute, he couldn't really stay and all that, so he kind of regretted not planning, and all that. So Venita now told him that he could have told her now that he was supposed to travel to London, or he's going to London, that she would have helped him, because she also had a lot of people there, so she would have helped him, book meet and greets and all those things, and make it more better, make the trip more better than what it was, and Vanessa was like, why didn't Ike tell her about all that? She also asked about the pictures, the famous London pictures he was posting, the pictures he posted with a South African woman that had a child that got messy, all worked up and all that. He said that post caused a lot of issues, that in fact all the neighbors of Mercy and Ike started calling him Mercy's friends, some people, in fact stakeholders and shareholders of the relationship, they started calling him to know, but you are Mercy now, who is this woman, who is this, who is that, even Mercy said that Ike has a lot of girlfriends. Yes, she said that Ike has a lot of girlfriends, but a lot of people do not know, but they always accuse her because of this Willie XO thing, that when it comes to her, sorry I'm going back, but I just remember this, that when it comes to her, that a lot of people will just be like, why did you go to London, blah 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 blah, but now it's Ike, everybody is now praising him for going to London, the same London that she went for, and everybody was calling for her head and all that, so Ike was saying that a lot of people were calling him, asking, oh, where is Mercy? Do you think what you are doing is right? Blah, 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 blah. He now said that Mercy was being over dramatic, about it, that she started shading him and all that. So Venita was like, that's expected. She's your woman. He now started saying something. He now said, okay, now when he said what he said, I'm like, what is this? But then again, I realized this is reality TV. Ike said that right now, you see, people of God, and right now he only sees Mercy as a business partner, nothing more. Somebody he can do business with, make money with, that he doesn't even see her as his girlfriend anymore. I'm like, who is this one trying to deceive? Anyways, he said that, what's that quote? I think I wrote down what he said. Yeah, he said to Venita that he was thinking of marrying Mercy before, but because of the rumors, he doesn't think he wants to marry her again. I'm like, hey, Ike thinking of marrying Mercy? When? How? In what universe? Because Oga, I never saw you say anything like that. So even when Mercy brought, the marriage thing in the other previous episode, you never said anything like that though. But anyway, he claimed that that's what he's thinking. So I'm not in his mind to know if it's true or not. So Venetia was like, you know what? All these things, I'm betting with you that in 1 week you and Mercy are gonna come back. He was not like, what? That is not true. So Venetia was like telling him like, all these people, that who are they to you? These people you are saying you are hearing, because Ike was like saying that the reason he doesn't want to continue with the relationship, that he's done with the relationship, that is over and all that, is because he has been hearing a lot of rumors about Mercy, that Mercy did this, Mercy is this, her past, everything. Now that he's not comfortable with it anymore. And Venetia was like, okay, who are these people? Are they like shareholders or stakeholders in this your relationship? Like, who are they that you are listening to them? Do they really matter and all that? So at the end of the day, Ike was like, okay, he's gonna give it a try, he's gonna work things out and all that. But people of God, next week promises to be more interesting. I'm gonna tell you why. It's I think Ike was having a conversation, I think he's with his family, they were asking him about the things they've heard of Mercy and all that. So I think it's gonna be it's gonna be worth watching. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you think Ike is being sincere? Do you think that Mercy is right to get pissed? Or do you think, I don't know, are you sitting on the fence on this one? Because it's a reality show, there was a lot of drama and all that. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, that's about it from me. Thank you so very much for being part of my channel. And if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Kindly click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell to let you know whenever I post any new video. Till I come your way again, I remain your girl, Ezinne Williams. Have a beautiful day ahead. Bye guys.